I feel like I'm always on a side quest because I don't know, I always find something to build. Anyway, like I was telling you guys, LP crash out is here for my crypto heads. LP crash out is here. So I saw this post on the 5th and I'm like, okay, how can we find these liquidations? If you don't know what liquidation is, it's forced closure of positions because they didn't have enough money to handle the margin. And that is an opportunity for us to buy. So the beautiful thing is Binance offers a beautiful WebSocket connection, which you can modify and get all of these liquidations. And that's what I'm building here with this monitor. Actually, it's already built and it's kind of going through all of the liquidations here. So we have a buy liquidation on ETH, a buy liquidation on Bitcoin. Tia had a short liquidation, meaning this person, when they on the buy liquidation, this person went long, but their position went to shit. So they had to liquidate, the platform had to liquidate their position. On the flip side, someone went short and the position went to shit, had to get liquidated as well. So that means these